Shipping a lathe machine takes more planning than moving regular freight. Lathes are heavy, precise, and often expensive, so the goal is to protect the machine, secure it properly, and choose the right transport setup. A lathe is built for precision work. That means vibration, poor loading, loose parts, or uneven weight distribution can create problems during transport. Before shipping, the machine should be inspected and prepared carefully. Start with the basics: machine weight, length, width, height, pickup location, delivery location, and whether loading equipment is available. These details help determine the right trailer, route, and securement method. Depending on the size of the lathe, transport may require a flatbed, step deck, lowboy, or enclosed trailer. Smaller shop lathes may need crating, while larger industrial lathes may require heavy haul equipment. Before pickup, remove loose accessories, secure moving components, drain fluids if required, protect exposed surfaces, and document the machine's condition with photos. This helps create a clear record before transport begins. Lathes are not always easy to move by hand. Forklifts, cranes, rigging equipment, skates, or pallet jacks may be needed depending on the machine and location. Loading access should be confirmed before the carrier arrives. Once loaded, the lathe must be secured correctly. That may include blocking, bracing, straps, chains, protective padding, and careful weight placement to help reduce shifting during transit. Large industrial lathes may be oversized or overweight, which can require permits, route planning, or special delivery access. Tight shop entrances, loading docks, or uneven ground should also be discussed ahead of time. So, how does lathe machine shipping work? It starts with accurate specs, careful preparation, the right trailer, proper loading equipment, and secure transport from pickup to delivery. For more helpful heavy equipment transport guides, visit A1 Auto Transport at a1autotransport.com and read the full guide on shipping a lathe machine.